Namaskara, Harsha here. Welcome back. So today is the day 4 of the 21-day handstand mastery. So first day we did Bhujapidasana, second day we did Ekapadabhujasana, third day we did Ashtavakrasana. Now today is the day 4. What is it that we're going to do? So today we're going to practice what is called as Dwipadabhujasana. This is very similar to the first one, it's just that we don't interlock the ankles in this one. How do we do this? The process is very similar to all the different all the different hand balancing that we did. So in this one, you widen the legs, keep them as wide apart as your shoulder. You tuck the hands in, and then you bring the palms next to the foot. Once you're here, just lift it up. Dvipada means both of your foot are off the floor. Dwipadabhujasana. Bhuja means shoulder. So the two shoulders is being pressed by the back of the knee, and hence the name Dwipadabhujasana. You just stay here. Or you can look front. Try to get the balance. And then slowly you drop the foot and then you sit down. So if you had done the earlier versions, the first 3 variations, which is the Bhujapidasana, Ekapadabhujasana and Ashtavakrasana. So this is the 4th asana. This comes very easily. But if you haven't done the previous ones, you'll find practicing this a little bit difficult. So today was the day 4. It's a very short practice for today. This is just for you to know, okay, what comes after what. As I've told in the very beginning, this is definitely not for someone if you're starting off practicing hand balancing for the first time. If you're someone who's never done asana practice at all, I honestly suggest you guys to not try this. Practice standing asanas first, sitting asanas, twisting, backward bends, and then Sarvangasana, and then you move to hand balancing. Never ever directly start your practice with respect to hand balancing on the very first day itself. It doesn't work like that. You'll never be able to reach that perfect handstand that you've been thinking of, that you've been seeing in pictures for quite some time. So today's the day 4, Dwipadabhujasana. Do give this a try and let me know how you felt in the comments. Now you know 4 standing asanas. So now you can start practicing this one after another for half a minute each. Do share your views in the comments. I'll be more than happy to read them and reply to them. If you have anything in specific that you want me to answer, reach out to me on my email. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Have a great day. Enjoy practicing yoga. I'll see you in the next one.